There must be many people who don't know how to apply our solid gel polish. Today, we will help you solve this problem. When you get a brush, the first thing you need to do is wet it with some base coat or nail brush cleaner. Put your brush into a cup with some cleaner. A little is enough. Wet the bristles completely and press it several times. Then use a cotton pad to wipe off excess cleaner. After that, you can start to prepare your natural nails. File your nails first to a matte state. Then wipe off the oil and dust with a cotton pad. Now, the nail preparations are ready. Apply a nail prep dehydrator and wait for 5 minutes to air dry. Then apply a base coat and cure it for 60 seconds. Let's start to apply the solid gel. Take some gel with your wet brush. Please remember not to take too much at one time. When we apply the first layer, we need to keep it thin. After curing for 60 seconds, you can apply the second layer in the same way. Some solid jelly color may require you to repeat the above steps until you get the effect you desired. Next, cure it for 60 seconds. Finally, apply a top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Have you learned now? After applying the gel, do not forget to wash your brush. Put it on a cup with brush cleaner and press it until bristles are clean. At last, clean it with a cotton pad. What other nail art tutorials do you want to see? Leave your answers below.